Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Google Nest app history and activity sharing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Google Nest app history and activity sharing, start by launching the Google Nest app on your mobile device. Make sure you are signed in to the account associated with your Google Nest devices. Navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner of the app. Select the option labeled Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find and tap on History. Here, you will see a summary of your activity history. To share your history with other users, go back to the main Settings menu. Choose Family and Guests to manage shared access. Add the email addresses of the users you want to share your history with. Make sure to select the permissions you wish to grant them, such as viewing history. Next, confirm the invitations sent to the users by tapping Send. Once they accept your invitation, they will have access to your history. For privacy concerns, revisit the settings and adjust any sharing preferences as needed. To transfer specific activity logs, go to the Activity tab in the app. From there, select the activity you want to transfer. Look for the option to export or share this activity. Follow the prompts to send the activity via email or another method. After sending, double-check with the recipients to confirm they received the data successfully. For further modifications, return to the History section to view or delete any past activities. This ensures your Google Nest app history and activity sharing meet your preferences and privacy standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.